Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you will have already seen by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. Now this is because I recently hit 4,000 subscribers and a lot of you guys have been asking if I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So I have decided to give away some really nice products. One set is similar to the other set in my last giveaway, but then I decided to include something completely different for the second prize. So I've included two prizes as I did last time, and make sure you look down in the description to find out all of the requirements in order to enter, and then I will also include some bonuses, so if you want to have a better chance in winning the prize, then you can also do some of these bonus things. So this is the first set. It's a polygel set, and instead of it being nude polygels, it's colourful polygels, which I think is really fun. I really love this set. As I already said in the last giveaway, this set is so good for beginners, honestly. And I think you guys will love it. I've had two of these sets actually, and I know the previous girl that won this set, she loved it and she was so thankful, and she's really been getting into nails. So if you guys are beginners, especially in polygel, I think this is a great set for you. So there is 6 colours: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, which once you cure it, it turns clear, so you also have a clear polygel. Now these are the forms, so you put the polygel in the form. I have got videos on this if you are wondering, but you put the polygel in the form, and then you put the form on your nail, you cure them, and then you take the form off, and then the polygel is in the perfect nail shape. And then you also get a top coat and a base coat, and can I say, I love these top coats so much. I think I have like 3 top coats now from like sets that Model Ones have sent me, or what I've just purchased myself, but that top coat is amazing. You also get a little spatula and brush to obviously apply the polygel, and it comes in this little tube. But yeah, this does the job perfectly, and there's absolutely no faults in it, and it's easy to clean, so yeah, it does the job really. So this is what it looks like. It's a very small brush in order to paint on the polygel. You don't necessarily have to do it, you don't have to necessarily do it with a dual form, but you can just do it like paint the polygel on a tip. But yeah, I really love this set, and if you have any questions about it, just ask down below or look at any previous videos. Now this is the slip solution in order to guide the polygel where you want it to go, and so it fits to your nail. Now they also included a chrome, which this chrome is so pretty, and I'm so jealous that I'm giving it to one of you guys. But this is like a light blue that's kind of iridescent, and I just think of Cinderella, like Cinderella's dress, when I look at that chrome. Like, it's genuinely so pretty. And then little silver holographic butterflies, which these are so in right now and definitely Instagram worthy. So if you do create looks using these butterflies, please put it on Instagram and please tag me in it, because I would love to see your work. But yeah, that was the whole set. Now of course you do get a lamp, because you are obviously going to need to cure the polygel. Now this isn't my favourite lamp, however I will say it does the job, and you can't really have this set without a UV lamp, but it's just very small. That's my only problem with it. So this is what the lamp looks like if I'm actually going to show you on camera. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. Yeah, so this is the lamp. It's very small, but it does the job. But that's all I can say. It will cure the nails, but it's just, I don't like how small it is. That's my only problem, but it's cute and it's pink, so why not? But yeah, and you'll be getting 2, well, you'll be getting 1 in this set, and obviously there'll be another one in the other set, because you obviously need the lamp to cure your nails, unless you're using just nail varnish. But in both of these prizes, I do not include normal nail varnish, so you of course are going to need a lamp. Anyway, so this is the prize for number 2. Now this is also from Model Ones, because they send me lots of stuff, and obviously I'm not going to get around to using everything, and I want you guys to have some stuff too, and I just think it's fair to give it to my followers, my subscribers, and I really do appreciate you guys. Like, thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I genuinely did not think that would happen. Like, it's just crazy. My last giveaway was at like, I think 2,500 subscribers, and we're already at 4,000, and that just genuinely blows my mind. Anyway, so this is the second prize, which I'm so jealous. I also have these exact, so I was sent a set of this exact set by Model Ones, and I love it so much, and posted it on my Instagram. Now that will be part of the way to enter. You will have to follow me on Instagram so I can contact you, and you'll see the swatches on my Instagram. So I repurchased it for you guys. It is so nice. I really, really like these, because obviously who doesn't like glitter, and you've got it in every colour you need. And of course it comes with a lamp. These are so pretty. Please go look at the swatches because they are so gorgeous. I probably should have included them in this video so you could see how beautiful they were, and hopefully you'd get excited. But, you know, I can't wait for you to try them. And again, if you create any looks using these gels, please put them on Instagram and tag me, because I'm now on Instagram. I recently made a proper Instagram for my YouTube channel, because originally it was just like my normal Instagram where I post selfies and my friends and blah 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 blah, but I realised you guys aren't really interested in that. You're interested in the nail part, so I have made an Instagram, and of course that will be linked down below. But yeah, so they were both the sets. Now I really hope you guys would love to receive these sets, so we'll obviously enter. But if you don't, then I'm sure I'll do another giveaway in the future, and maybe it'll be even better, and I'll have 4 prizes or 5 prizes. But for now, I'm sticking with 2 because, I don't know, I just feel like 2 is better than 1. So, why not? But yeah, so you get the lamp and the gels for number 2, and the Model One's polygel set with the lamp for number 1. So please comment down below which one you would prefer. That was a lot easier for me to like pick. So there was a lot of people saying I don't mind either, which is absolutely fine, but I did find it easier to choose people based on what set they would like to receive. So if you would like to receive number 1 over number 2, please say you'd like number 1 rather than either, just because it did make it more easier. And I'm assuming that the first set is going to be more popular, because last time this set that's on the camera right now, that was very popular and a lot of people liked that, so please take that in consideration. But then I think I'd pick the polygel set too. It is very pretty, and yeah, very pretty. And please can you take photos and put on Instagram, because I just feel like we all need to see that. And if they are really nice, then I even might post them on my Instagram, because I feel like everyone wants to see that. But yeah, anyway, so make sure you look down in the description, comment anything that you will think, I don't know, just make sure you're active. I think that's the best thing. Please be active on my upcoming posts and my previous posts. I also have a second Instagram, so that will obviously help your chances. And the more I see the same names pop up, you're more likely to win, really. But we never know. I don't know what you guys are going to be commenting in the comment section, so please be nice. You know? Okay then. So, yeah. You guys look at the rules. And this is international. I forgot to mention this. It is international. Anyone can enter. And that's all I can say. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck to everyone.